and I'm also showing to you in the old and the tap recording on the people are saving in this way and to all taking the same to one place to another place. And that is the search the WFNGP 787, and that is a good quality and the Japan technology and tape recording, and that is a two step on this tape, and that's where we also using and for coffee and also use for cassette or herring, and that is a good quality of Japan technology. And there is another tape recording also, and this will be Japan technology, and that is a sharp. And here is a many response, and two on his way, and also it is a cassette, and also and that is a monster, and also and here is a coffee, and also it is using and for sharing a cassette, and the whole time, and a lot of great number are selling, and this way there's also a film and also songs and also speech, and also and that is a good resource of recommending of history and the oldest time, and that is a good quality of tape or recording, and is a volume side, and that is a sound also increase and decrease, and also FM radio, and that's a good research says that that is a good tape recording, therefore also commanding response to on his wife, and there is the oldest and recording safety in this way.